This is the first clip of anything I've done for the Padrón peppers this year. And that's because they've been green for quite a while. But now I've got this one. This one was the first one that got red, and it's taken a little bit of time. I think the cooler weather, for whatever reason, isn't stressing them out enough. So it allows them to actually ripen. And this one is well on its way to that. I'm probably gonna pick the one back here when I'm done shooting this clip. This might even be a better angle for the Padrón peppers. And those that know about the Padrón peppers, it's kind of like a Russian roulette. Some are fairly mild and some have quite a bit of punch, pop you right in the face, in a good way, of course. This is a Padrón pepper update. Now these are not red. I did pick a red one the other day, but you can still, these are very edible green, a lot like a jalapeno. And the redder they get, the more fruity they get and a little bit more heat you get. Now there's a little bit of a Russian roulette thing with those, but I believe I talked about that earlier in the video. This is a look at the plant that gets more sun. I've harvested a bunch lately. I harvested 2 the other day, and then I froze them for hot sauce later in the season, and I also tried them. They get sweeter with time, and they also get spicier with time. So they're gonna add a nice element to my hot sauce. And the green ones, of course, you can still eat, a little milder, although you never know what you're gonna get with Padrones. Some of them are much hotter than you expect them to be. And they're prolific. They produce a lot of fruit, a lot like the Bosc. They're just a little bit more wrinkly than the Bosc, but they are very cool. We're gonna wrap it up here. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. Ask any questions regarding this pepper in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.